Welcome back. Peace be upon you. Ni hao. Assalamu alaikum. iMyFone Magicmic special software which will allow you to change your voice with different effects, and they even have a beta AI mode, which obviously is still a new thing. There's a lot of place for work, for improvements. You can try to basically change your sound as a kind of an actor, maybe a special speaker or something like that. We will try this option to see how good it works, how it sounds. If you want to try it by yourself, you can use obviously the free version or purchase the VIP version. The downloading links will be in the description. Let's begin. Enjoy. Okay guys, here we go. Magicmic. So yeah, Magicmic, this is how it looks like, the UI itself. We have voice box, soundboard, voice meet, AI voice change, and voice studio plus settings if you want to change stuff. And regarding the voice box, it's very simple guys. You have many different effects. You can sound like, let me just show you.
Darth Vader, so like sound like Darth Vader.
You can sound like an elmo? Like a mouse? What about, let me just check.
The Grinch. Grinch looks also very interesting. Nice, not bad at all. So, many different things you can do over here. Now we're gonna go immediately drop to the most important thing. Yes.
Which AI voice change, but it is in a beta mode. Have that in mind. Anyway, let's go immediately there.
Protection will lead to great prosperity. This is America's day. This is democracy.
For all the times that you rain on my parade, and all
I went to college. I went and worked out 5 hours a day.
I went to college. I worked few days in a week. Do the chopper.
Like honesty, hard work, responsibilities. Take your time and take your...
Protection will lead to great prosperity and protection.
I'm trying to read a lot of books. I wonder what kind of weather we're gonna have tomorrow. Are we sure? We were never humble, we're not down. Are we gonna succeed without...
Record voice change. Start right now and finish right now. Have a great day. Record voice change. Start right now and finish right now. Have a great day.